So this is May 7th, 2018, and it's been now 17 days since these stems started coming out on this Florida butterfly orchid. They're growing phenomenally. So 17 days. I've measured these. Some of these, like this one, are 22 inches long. They have had days where they have grown an inch a day. Keep putting out more buds on the end. I thought initially that if I got 50 blooms off this, I'd be thrilled. Now I'm thinking there might be 150 to 200 blooms on this thing. Now, I moved it over here on this workbench initially to trim the old stems off of it and pick pine straw and oak leaves and everything out of it, just clean it up some. And then it started pushing these stems out, and now I'm afraid to move it. It's not a very attractive place for something that's going to be so beautiful, but I'm afraid to put it anywhere else now for fear I'll put the hex on it. I've never had very good luck getting butterfly orchids to bloom, but I'll keep this updated and we'll see.